said, when base class does not have noir constructor, all the constructors of subclass must explicitly invoke parameters constructor of base class using super. So now in this demo 6, demo 5 will be error. Demo 6, we have solved that error. How we have solved that error? Class base does not have a default constructor. So subclass, both the constructors are saying super. So this code will compile.
So means default constructor is mandatory in parent class. If not, then you have to use super.
Yes. ठीक है ना? हाँ? This concept should be very clear. हाँ? थोड़ा भी डाउट इधर उधर नहीं होना चाहिए. प्लस माइनस, नो प्लस माइनस, एकदम परफेक्ट. डेमो 7.
Hello, sir.
हाँ ये बोलो.
Sir, like
Yes,
you
yes.
have written super 10 and super 20, no? So, like, how will be the flow of that?
एक मिनट हाँ, एक मिनट. या एक या ऑलरेडी आई सेड जो वैल्यू पास करना है वो आपको पास करना है. यू हैव टू कॉल दैट कंस्ट्रक्टर, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो अभी यहाँ पे कैसे होगा? व्हेन यू से न्यू सब, control will go to subclass default constructor and from there super 10. So 10 will be passed to parameters constructor of base. Clear?
Yes.
क्यों लिए फिर सर?
हाँ क्या
फिर
क्या?
सर अगर अपन सब क्लास को ही कॉल कर रहे हैं देन वो सुपर 10 अपन ने सब में लिए तो फिर सब पैरामीटर को सुपर 20 क्यों नहीं लिए? मतलब सुपर 10 बनाने के बाद बेस पे गया फिर देन रिटर्न आके
हाँ.
वापस पैरामीटर पे आएगा फिर वो सुपर 20
नहीं
ले.
नहीं वेट होल्ड ऑन, आराम से. न्यू सब, which constructor will be called? Tell me.
सब
सब का which constructor? दो कंस्ट्रक्टर. डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर. वहां से हाँ आराम से वहां से सुपर 10 वेयर कंट्रोल विल गो
बेस पैरा.
हाँ बराबर. ये प्रिंट करेगा.
हाँ
वापस कहाँ पे आएगा?
सब
वापस कहाँ पे आएगा?
सब पैरामीटर.
कौन से कंस्ट्रक्ट? अरे
अच्छा
सब
डिफॉल्ट.
पैरामीटर कैसे? हाँ डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर यहाँ पे आएगा, बस हो गया. हाँ अभी सुनो यहाँ पे, होल्ड ऑन. इफ आई पास 100 ईयर तो बोलो कौन सा कंस्ट्रक्टर कॉल होगा? सबका
सब पैरामीटर.
हाँ वेरी गुड. आराम से एकदम घाई मत करो. ओके यहाँ से सुपर 20 वेयर कंट्रोल विल गो
बेस
पैरामीटर. हाँ इट विल प्रिंट दिस. वेयर विल इट कम बैक? कहाँ पे वापस आएगा?
सब पैरामीटर.
हाँ एक सिंपल सी चीज है, जहां से गया था वहीं पे वापस आएगा ना, तो इट विल कम हियर. करेक्ट?
यस सर.
एकदम आराम से जाओ. ड्यूरिंग रिवीजन ऑल्सो एकदम एक एग्जाम्पल को प्रॉपर देखो एंड देन गो थ्रू इट.
So, sir, 100 value will be assigned to the num2 in the subclass and 20 value of num will be assigned to num1 in the parent class.
Yes,
Okay.
perfect.
Okay.
अगर यहाँ पे मैंने 100 पास नहीं किया तो what will happen? num1, num2 will remain 20 and 10 will go to num1. Correct? बराबर?
Okay, sir, got it. Yeah.
हाँ. Demo 7. एरर. डेमो 7 में कुछ एरर है. लेट्स सी. Base does not have parameter as constructor. sub1 derived from base. One interesting point here, this is multi-level inheritance. कैसे? Base is a parent for sub1 and sub1 is a parent for sub2. तो अभी देखो, one interesting point here. Base does not have default constructor. What do you think about sub1? Tell me, sub1 has got which constructor?
No constructor.
Does sub1 have any constructor?
Default.
Default.
No constructor.
Does sub1 have any constructor?
Default.
Default.
By default constructor.
By default.
Compiler will provide.
Oh, yes, very good.
Default.
Since sub1, inside sub1, we haven't defined any constructor, compiler will provide default constructor. Barabar? Hold on. Huh? So compiler's default constructor is there. Sub2. Now if sub1 has got default constructor, does sub2 need to worry?
No.
Yeah.
No need to worry. अपने parent के पास default constructor है ना, बिंदास आराम से रहो. हाँ? So sub2 need not worry. अभी what happens here is, see, base sub1 and sub2, try to understand, multi-level है, base sub1 sub2. We are creating object of sub2. So where control will go? आराम से बोलो.
Parameterized constructor of sub2.
Sub2, बराबर? Parameterized constructor of sub2 will by default call which constructor of sub1?
Parameterized
Constructor of sub1.
Default constructor of sub1.
Sub1.
Does sub1 have default constructor?
No, compiler.
Yes. But that constructor which sub1 has got should call parameterized constructor of base. Yes or no? Now here, see now here, this is one exceptional case where and listen first. Normally or usually, when compiler provides us constructor, we are very happy. अपने को लिखना नहीं पड़ रहा है. Thank you, compiler. But here, this is the exceptional case where we need to tell compiler, please don't provide your constructor because that constructor is useless. Why? Because it does not call parameterized constructor of parent. So please don't provide. I will provide it. But in sub1, you are not saying that in this example. In sub1, you are taking default constructor of compiler, which does not invoke parent ka parameterized constructor. So that's a error. Default constructor of sub1 provided by compiler does not invoke parameterized constructor of base. So that's why there is an error here. So what is the solution? क्या करेंगे? How will solve it?
need to declare
एकदम सिंपल सा कंसेप्ट है. कंपाइलर को बोलेंगे कंपाइलर प्लीज डोंट प्रोवाइड योर कंस्ट्रक्टर because that constructor is not helpful. We will provide our default constructor and we'll try to invoke parameterized constructor. Yes. So that solution has been given in demo 8. Demo 7 में problem ऐसे ही है. हाँ? So when you revise all these examples, demo 7 को देखो, error, just just try to understand why there's an error, or if you have a partner with you, just discuss with your partner why there's an error, and then come to the conclusion that this should be there, and then go for next example. Yeah. So I hope it is clear why there's an error here. Compiler's constructor does not call parameterized constructor of parent. Demo 7 में error है. Demo 8 में that error is solved. How it is solved? Yes. Look at this. We are telling compiler, please don't provide your constructor. नहीं चाहिए. We will provide our constructor and from there we will say super 5. अभी कैसे होगा? When you create object of sub2 by passing 10, control goes to sub2 parameterized constructor. From there, control will go to sub1 default constructor. Yes. From there, control will go to base parameterized constructor.
Please repeat the flow.
Yeah. Sub to 10, where control will go? कहाँ पे जाएगा बोलो? कौन सा?
पैरा
sub to parameterize में super नहीं लिखा है, तो by default it will call which constructor?
sub1
Default constructor of sub1.
Correct, default constructor of sub1. वहाँ पे लिखा है super 5, तो वहाँ से कहाँ पे जाएगा?
Parameterized constructor of base.
Correct. कंसेप्ट एकदम सिंपल है, इट्स वेरी सिंपल, आराम से करो. हाँ? What? आराम से करो. नाइन. देखते हैं 9 में कुछ एरर है. एरर तो है ही हर एक प्रोग्राम. Okay, let's find out why there's an error in 9. Class base parameterized constructor. That means it does not have default constructor. Class sub1. Bolo. This point is already covered.
Parameterized constructor doesn't have a super.
Rule क्या है? What is the rule? When parent does not have default constructor, all the constructors of child must call parameterized constructor of, must use super. That means they must call parameterized constructor of base class explicitly. तो यहाँ पे super नहीं लिखा है, that is the error. यहाँ पे सब सुपर नहीं लिखा है, that is the error. अभी just for just one more interesting point here. Sub1 has got how many constructors?
Sub1
Two constructor.
एक default एक parameterized ना?
Yes.
एक default एक parameter. So that means sub2 constructor has got options. If it does not say, control will go to sub1's default constructor. If it says super, control will go to sub1's parameterized constructor. So when your parent has got default and parameterized constructor, you have an option. आप default को भी call कर सकते हो या तो आप parameterized constructor को call कर सकते हो. Here sub2 has chosen to call default constructor of sub1. कुछ नहीं लिखा है ना यहाँ पे, super नहीं लिखा है ना, so default constructor. But problem कहाँ पे है? sub1 में problem है. What is the problem? Here. Problem is here.
सर बेस दिखाओ 1 मिनट ऊपर का.
Base तो वैसा ही है. It doesn't have default constructor. That's what parameters.
Okay.
Demo 10 में that error is solved. How that error is solved? Both the constructors are saying super. When your base class does not have default constructor, all the constructors of child must say super. That is, all the constructors of child must call base class parameterized constructor explicitly. So this program will compile definitely, but how the control will go? चलो वो डिस्कस करते हैं. New sub to 10, where control will go?
Parameter of
Parameterized of sub 2.
वहां से where control will go? वहां से
Default constructor.
Default of sub 1.
Default constructor.
Sub 1
कुछ
default.
लिखा नहीं ना, कुछ लिखा नहीं ना. Super we have not written. So by default, default constructor of sub 1.
Sub 1.
Default constructor of sub 1 says super 5. Where control will go?
Base.
Base parameter.
सिंपल है. Okay. Demo 11.
Hello sir,
हाँ बोलो.
what if we create sub 1 का reference in the main function? It will skip sub 2 or what?
हाँ, I mean you are creating parent class का object. You are not considering sub 2. So if you create sub 1 का object, हाँ, so control
Yes.
will go to sub 1 constructor,
Okay,
and from sub 1 it will go to base.
so it will skip sub 2, no?
Obviously, because
Okay.
you are not using sub 2, no? Yeah.
Okay.
सर आउटपुट देखो कंपनी
इसका output ना 10 का ना.
हाँ
वो जो अभी क्वेश्चन पूछा था ना, उसके ऊपर मैं एक स्टेटमेंट बताता हूँ. एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टेटमेंट है. पहले इसका आउटपुट दिखाता हूँ. ठीक है.
यस सर
वो बाकी कंस्ट्रक्टर में एसओपी नहीं लिखा है इसके लिए. मैं तो डोंट थिंक बेस का पैरामीटराइज कंस्ट्रक्टर ही कॉल हो रहा है. हाँ? इसमें एसओपी नहीं लिखा है. अच्छा, अभी जो क्वेश्चन पूछा था, इफ यू क्रिएट ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ सब 1, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ सब 1 क्रिएट करेंगे या तो पास करके, विदाउट पास करके, तो कंट्रोल विल गो टू ईदर ऑफ दिस कंस्ट्रक्टर्स एंड फ्रॉम देयर इट विल गो टू बेस. एंड क्या पूछा था? सब 2 विल बी स्किप्ड. हाँ,
Yeah.
yes. So there's one interesting statement here in case of inheritance of programming language. Inheritance of programming language. Here the statement is child knows about parent. Child knows about his parent, but parent does not know about his child.
Okay.
That means अगर base class को देखो, base does not know who is deriving it. But if you look at sub 1, sub 1 knows who is parent of its base. If you look at sub 1 knows about base. मेरा parent कौन है? But sub 1 does not know मेरा child कौन है. If you look at sub 2 knows that its parent is sub 1. Suppose sub 2 से भी और एक class derive करेंगे, that sub 2 does not know. So parent does not know about child. Child knows about parent.
Okay, sir.
Demo 11. I guess here also some error. No. Okay. What is that? How it is different from base? Does not have parameters. Sorry, base does not have default constructor. Sub 1 has got two constructors, both are saying super, so we are following rule. So sub 1 में कोई problem भी नहीं है. Sub 2 has got parameterized constructor. Now, yeah, that's the same thing. Sub 2's parent is sub 1. Sub 1 has got two constructors, default and parameterized. And just now we discussed that in that scenario, sub 2 has got options. Whether sub 2 can call default constructor of sub 1 or parameterized constructor of sub 1. In the last example, sub 2 constructor of sub 2 was calling default constructor because we did not say super in sub 2's constructor. But here we have said super in sub 2's constructor. What does that mean? It means that sub 2's parameterized constructor would like to call parameterized constructor of sub 1. Last example में super नहीं लिखा था, So in that case, sub2's constructor was calling default constructor of sub1 by default. But here super 45 is written. That means sub2's constructor is trying to invoke sub1's parameterized constructor. So here how control will go. चलो discuss करो साथ में. New sub 200, sorry, new sub 210. Where control will go?
Parameterized.
वहाँ से super 45.
Parameterized sub1.
Parameterized constructor of sub1. वहाँ से super 8. Perfect. That's the only difference. Output चाहिए तो output. During your revision session, you check ये 8 कैसे है, ये 45 कैसे है, 10 कैसे है. हाँ? Since you understood how control, how execution works, then you will be able to understand values कैसे आते हैं. कोई डाउट है तो पूछो. लास्ट डेमो 12 में ओके कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है. Base does not have default constructor. Sub1 has got two constructors, both are saying super. So by rule it is perfect. Sub2 has got two constructors for a change. Sub2 has got two constructors. One constructor says super, दूसरा constructor super नहीं बोल रहा है, तो error नहीं आ रहा है.
डिफॉल्ट
Error क्यों नहीं आ रहा है?
Default constructor sub1 पे है.
हाँ, very good.
Option है.
Default constructor is there in sub1. बराबर. So उसका मतलब ये हुआ that means sub2's parameterized constructor invokes parameterized constructor of sub1, but sub2's two parameterized constructor invokes default constructor of sub1. It means that when your parent, एक minute. It means when your parent has got default and parameterized constructor, being a child, you have got two options. Either you can call default constructor of parent or you can call parameterized constructor of parent. तो यहाँ पे आपने parameterized constructor call किया है, यहाँ पे आपने default constructor. How the control will go? चलो discuss करते हैं. Sub2 S1 is equal to new sub2 10. बोलो control कहाँ पे जाएगा? वहाँ से super 45. Sub1 parameterized. वहाँ से super 8. Hold on. अब ये 10 निकालता हूँ. अब ये 10 निकाल दिया. बोलो कहाँ पे जाएगा? Sorry. 10-20. Where control will go? वहाँ से we are not saying super. Correct. Since we are not saying super, it will go to default constructor.
सुपर 5
Default constructor is super 5. So where control will go? Parameterized constructor of base.
बेस.
Correct. Now these examples, समझ लो ये examples जो है ना inheritance programs में demo 2 to demo 12, they all are based on constructor concept. Constructor in case of constructor, invocation in case of inheritance. Demo 13 जो है, it's a different concept, method overriding. So we are not going to discuss that today. I would like to give you some sufficient time. Today's time plus tomorrow's entire day, and Monday we will continue with this demo 13. But by Monday morning 8 o'clock, you should be able to revise everything properly. Clear? Today you will not get. हाँ, आज आपको कोई नया फोल्डर नहीं मिलेगा. Day 3 है. हाँ? Okay,
Thank you, sir.
we wind up
Thank
today
you.
and we
Thank
will
you, sir.
continue on Monday, 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Tomorrow छुट्टी है, हाँ? Okay, sir. Thank you,
Today
sir.
वाइवा है हमारा.
वाइवा ग्रुप
हाँ, वाइवा